Do you want to launch a complete membership business, or do you want to create a commission-making site with all the products given to you, right? Or you simply want to generate a passive income from 100% free organic traffic on autopilot, right? If you want to do all that, watch this review of the product called EZ SalaryZ, because you will actually need it. Hey guys, this is Joyce Mitu here, and welcome to this new video where I'm going to do a review of EZ SalaryZ, right? For those who don't know me, my name is Joyce Mitu, and I do videos on how to make money online. I talk about network marketing and affiliate marketing, and do reviews of products that I do believe is going to help you guys, right? And if you like such contents, guys, do hit the notification bell, do subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos that are going to help you make money online, right? So why actually make a membership website, right? Why actually do that? It's simple. This membership website gives you recurring monthly income, and all your members, they will love you for the products that you're going to give them, for the service that you're going to give them, and you will be paid monthly, right? Now, you're going to tell me, okay, I can set it up elsewhere, right? But there are a lot of problems actually, and the problems is actually people hate to create websites, so they have to pay, or you have to learn a lot to create website, and it's rather complicated to create one. So if we go and look at creation of a website from Fiverr, it costs $120, and the standard fee is $240, and the premium is $380, right? And it's expensive, right? And someone else does this, and actually there are a lot of people, and you can check them out on Fiverr, right? This person offers a basic website creation membership for $80 and $350 and $650 with membership, with learning system and all that, right? If we go to Podia, right, this website is actually where people sell courses to their members, and they actually pay $39 per month and $79 per month, right? But these expensive websites, membership sites, how to create products, what to give your members, all these problems are solved with EZ SalaryZ. Okay, let me show you guys the sales page of EZ SalaryZ. You can go along and read all that, watch the videos. I'm just going to show you what's really important in the EZ SalaryZ, right? You actually get started with the first 3 steps. You grab your copy of EZ SalaryZ, log in, right? And with a few clicks of the button, have your membership site set up. I'm actually going to show you a demo of how you can set up everything. And besides, when you buy the EZ SalaryZ, there is actually training inside where they are going to show you, they're going to actually give you the products with the white labels, and there's tons of PLO products that you can use and create a membership site with just a few clicks and have your members happy. Now, when you get members, guys, when you have your members, let's say you have 5,000 members inside your membership site, right? And you're charging $1 per month. So it makes $5,000 per month. And if you increases the monthly fee by $10, right? It becomes $50,000 per month. Now, this is a proof, guys. These guys have applied the same system. They've made their membership site 37 and 67, and this is how they've been generating recurring income, right? And this is amazing. Like, wow. And this product was created by Mosh, Bari, and Jason Fulton. If you don't know these guys, Google them, and you will find that these guys they are content creators, and they are loved by people, and they are affiliate, and they are marketers, internet marketers, and these guys are actually doing great in the business. And you can read all that, but what actually I want to show you guys is how EZ SalaryZ makes everything easy, right? So you will find everything that you need in the sales page, right? Because it gives you all the information that you need, and they actually solve problems that everyone was having. Like this is an example. Like, it is fastest and easiest membership website builder ever seen, right? You build it in a few seconds. You integrate over 20 main autoresponders you can integrate to build your mailing list, right? You don't need any website, no hosting, right? Everything is covered for you, and you don't have to install anything. Everything is already installed. You just have to plug and play. And there's a pre-made sales page, and one click and customize them. This is a drag and drop page builder, right? And you customize your membership, add your logos and colors, etc. And there's a lot of things that you can actually have a look at, and they actually offer bonuses, right? They'll be giving bonus number 1, you don't have any product. They will be including special white label bonus training, right? And if you don't know how to create a product, they'll be teaching you this, and the premium agency license, right? And private support groups. Good. And let's say another bonus is a case study of 300,000 visitors. Good. Now, all these guys, you are actually getting it for, if we look at the price, it's right here. This is the light version. It costs this is a one-site license. It costs $29, and this is the pro version, right? It costs $27. This is a one-time offer, a one-time price, right? You're just paying once. Good. And this will be during the launch phase. So, and the price will be rising soon, right? Because all these values that you're going to get, they will actually rise pretty soon. Now, to make this better, let me show you actually what it looks like inside the members area. So when you log in, right? When you log in, you will be given the white label profit plan. It teaches you, actually it's a PDF, right? If we look at that, it teaches you all the things that you need about the white label profit plan, and it's a 27-page PDF, right? You can go ahead when you grab the members, you can go ahead and do it. There is a product creation success. You have training, how to do everything, right? You get the training and you get a demo inside. Actually, I'm going to show you a demonstration in a few minutes. And you have customer training, add your YouTube video or any content as product, right? This is the product, so you can download it. And let's have an access to the software. So if we go and look at the software inside, how the software is, it's like this, right? Members of each funnel, number of products sold, it's 2 already. Good. And this is the funnel, right? This is the funnel. If you want to create a new funnel, you just have to create a new funnel. And this is the product that you can create, and they're going to teach you everything about that. And this is the file hosting. There are three file hosting: the Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3, right? And this is the place where you integrate your autoresponders. They have Aweber, Active Response, right? And MailChimp, etc. So, and this is the transaction emails, and every training, everything you will get inside your this members area login, right, you will get everything that you require inside of here. Good. And to make, so this software, guys, this software is actually being over delivered in the launch phase for $27, right? It's $27, guys. But I'm actually going to show you my bonuses, right? My bonuses that I'm going to give you when you get access to this product. I've already prepared a bonus page, right? I'll just show you what my bonus page looks like, and this will be my review video, right? And I give you access. This is one of the bonuses, so I don't include it as bonus. I give you access to a group called Traffic Domination, where you will learn how to actually generate leads, traffic, and get a ton of value inside the group, right? It's a free group that you can join in. And the first bonus is actually this whole funnel system that I've created, right? It's an opt-in that when you run, if you choose to actually promote this product, you can have this opt-in page, right? This is the opt-in page that I created, and you are going to have the opt-in review with pop-up and the opt-in review without a pop-up that you can send to your mailing list, and the bonus page, right? The bonuses. Good. And this is the first bonus, right? And the second bonus is list building on steroids that you can use actually to build your list. And these are pre-made 5,000 email swipes that you can actually use to send to your the people inside your mailing list, right? To actually generate more money, right? You don't have to type copyrighted emails. You have 5,000 emails, right? And this is 10K email manifesto. This is actually a course where you're going to learn how to build your email list. And these three guys, these three work together, right? You're going to leverage the power of email marketing to make more money. And this is Bing Ads Mastery Training. You will be trained how to master the Bing Ads. If you're trying to run ads, Bing Ads, you will be generating a lot of money with that. And bonus number 6, bonus number 6, 7, 8, and 9. They are complete PLR products that I'm giving you as bonus, right? You can use it inside of EZ SalaryZ. You're already going to get PLR products over there with the white labels, and I'm going to give you 4 products like this. And they will teach you actually how to place it inside your membership area. So this training, these products are really amazing for you guys to use and get your members hyped and staying over there, right? You are able to give them a lot of value. And the bonus number 10 is access to my private Facebook group, where you can get in touch with me and with various members of the group that will help you guys if you have any other questions, right? And that's not all, guys. I'm going to give you more exclusive bonuses when you actually buy from my affiliate link, right? So I'm going to give you Lazy Profit Explosion. This is a course, Commission Blueprint, another course, right? Another major course, 10x commissions. This is the great course. There will be launch jacking, how to use the power of launch jacking, right? And Lindgren's lazy method, right? 5-figure freedom. If you're starting as a newbie, right? This is really for you. You can't expect to get like 10,000, 100,000 per day in the beginning, right? You start with 10, 100, right? So this is actually going to help you, and this is a newbie for exactly newbies, right? And the awakening bonus, the 17th bonus, the last bonus that I'm going to give you is this amazing course. These are courses, guys. My exclusive bonuses are all courses that you will be able to use to actually not make money inside EZ SalaryZ, but use all these bonuses to actually put inside your EZ salary, right? And keep providing value to your members. And when you provide value to your members, the members are going to stay. They get to learn a lot from you, and it will actually help them make money online. So when they get success, guys, you are getting success, and they will be paying you your membership fee, right? So when you calculate the total price of the bonuses, guys, it is $3,299, right? But I'm giving all these bonuses for free as a gift for you to buy EZ Salaries from my affiliate link, right? And you will be getting these amazing bonuses, guys. And like I said, this whole funnel will be yours. And actually, when you use this funnel, right, you will need to have ClickFunnels. But if you don't have ClickFunnels is only 14 days trial. So get into contact with me. This is another not mentioned bonus. So get into contact with me. I will give you a one-on-one coaching on how you should promote your ClickFunnels, right? And this is a major value that I'm going to offer you. So as a gift for buying EZ Salaries from my affiliate link, right? So this is it, guys. This will be it for this review. And yes, before I go, I will show you the demo of how to use EZ Salaries, right? And here it is.
We're going to break our own record and create a brand new membership site from scratch with complete products and everything ready within 48 seconds. So we're going to start timer and first import products from our Amazon S3 folder bucket. It's the same process if you use Google Drive or Dropbox. So I'm going to add 5 products imported in just 17 seconds and going to create a new funnel, which is a new membership site. The new membership site is created and I'm going to add the products that I have just imported from S3 account. In 35 seconds, the products are added. Now going to the domain section, make it public access so I can show you quickly. And boom, within 48 seconds, the complete membership site is ready. Now you can access the products. If you click on the player, a pop-up will open and the modules will run. It can be PDF, it can be image, and you can download it from this download button. That's it. It took only 48 seconds to create a complete membership site from scratch.
So this will be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review and got value of how EZ Salaries can help you in your online business. And if you're still having questions, why should I need it? Simply put it like this. If you actually want to have a passive income lifestyle, a passive recurring money in your business, right? And you will need actually membership, recurring income. And these recurring income will actually elevate your money-making strategies, right? So I hope you got value from this one. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe, right? And hit the notification bell so that you don't miss other product reviews or other videos about how you can make money online, right? So it's been fun, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.